Alright, yo, this is a bike check. Specialized fuse, run specials like 400 bucks. Just everything is basically stock except for my stem. Got that for free off of one of my friends. But yeah, blue hubs, sick as shit. Need new cranks, new pedals. The things that I'm getting chrome bars, new grips, chrome back rim, a new seat, pedals, new front sprocket, and I think that's about it. Bike's about to be mad dope. Ugly ass seat. I really need a new one really bad. I hate this sprocket so much. It's so big. And these pedals are wicked ugly. I just don't have the money. But I got money for all of this stuff. Fucking stacking. I'm stacking. But yeah. That's my bike, son.